Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a HDR video test in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device, friends. So as you can see right now, I'm using the Redmi Note 9 Pro and we'll be playing the YouTube videos. So let's check whether in the YouTube the HDR is actually supported or not. And before starting the video, friends, if you're watching first time this channel, subscribe to my channel Tech Guru, and also do check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of Redmi Note 9 Pro and other devices. So even if you want to know what wallpapers I'm using, there is a playlist for the wallpapers as well. So you can get this kind of live wallpapers and this kind of cool looking wallpapers. And if you're having any doubts regarding the smartphone, you can WhatsApp me to the number given, friends. So just send me the screenshot after subscribing to my channel and you can ask the query. So regarding the smartphone. So right now I'm using the Redmi Note 9 Pro, friends, and let me open the YouTube application. And it is a YouTube application and I have entered the HDR. So just type the HDR in the search result and you'll get the list of videos which are actually supported with the HDR content. And let me select one of the video, friends, here, and let me try to decrease the volume. And if you tap the settings here, so you can see HDR, as you can see, friends, here. So if you are seeing the HDR, that means your device is currently supported with the HDR content. So right now at the moment in the YouTube, the HDR is supported, friends, so which is very good thing in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. So overall, the few of the users are asking me whether the phone actually supports the HDR content or not. But here is a video which demonstrates clearly that the HDR is actually supported in the Redmi Note 9 Pro device. As you can see, friends, in terms of the display, I did plenty of comparison reviews with other smartphones regarding the display quality, how it looks in the Redmi Note 9 Pro comparing with other smartphones. So stay tuned, friends, by subscribing to my channel if you are not subscribed, because definitely I'll be trying to do plenty of in-depth reviews with the Redmi Note 9 Pro versus other smartphones, so you'll get a clear idea which phone to buy before actually buying the device. So all, friends, that's it for this video, friends, and I did the 8K 4K video playback test as well, so whether the 8K video can be playable in the Redmi Note 9 Pro or not. So you can check the links in description for that, for the playlist. So in the playlist you'll find plenty of videos, friends, which are related to the Redmi Note 9 Pro, so which I did plenty of tests and did a benchmark comparison and other reviews. So as you can see, a 8K video playing test as well, so notification and plenty of videos to be coming, friends. So definitely stay tuned, friends, by subscribing to my channel, and see you the next video, friends. Until then, bye.